Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the latest products. Today, we're diving into the Superstrata E, an all-electric bike with a 3D printed frame. It sounds intriguing, but does it deliver? Let's find out. The Superstrata E caught our attention with its unique 3D printed frame and mix of racing bike aesthetics and electric components. However, after spending time on this bike, we have some concerns. Stay tuned to learn more. Let's start with the frame of the Superstrata E. It's made from 3D printed thermoplastic carbon, which is certainly unique. However, upon closer inspection, the overall construction and choice of components left us wanting more. The low-end components, like the Buffon computer, detracted from the overall quality of the bike. The Superstrata E features an integrated battery in the wide front downtube, supplying power to a 250W hub-mounted motor in the back wheel. The control is handled through the Buffon computer on the handlebars, which allows you to adjust the assistance level. Assembling the bike was relatively straightforward, but we did encounter some issues with flat tires. One of the biggest disappointments with the Superstrata E is the ride quality. The drop handlebars and uncomfortable saddle make for an unpleasant riding experience. Additionally, the weight distribution feels off, and the narrow racing bike wheels contribute to a harsh ride over rough surfaces. When it comes to the quality of components, Superstrata E falls short. The Buffon computer, in particular, feels cheap and lacks a premium feel. Power delivery and gear changes using the 11-speed derailleur setup are also underwhelming, especially considering the bike's price tag. Overall, the Superstrata E feels like an expensive experiment that falls short in several areas. The unconventional frame design may turn heads, but the lackluster components and subpar ride quality make it hard to justify the price. While the idea behind Superstrata E is interesting, it needs more work to be a compelling option. That concludes our review of the Superstrata E. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.